Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows.
Guys, I just realized the Buddha only has one nipple. There's only one nipple
and the other
here,
one is not.
and there's no nipple there.
Highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows.
And this is cream, like a white whipped cream, like, or
Amazing.
Say, highs and lows, highs and lows.
What is happening, guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel.
LA Live here, guys, and we are in an amazing place, an amazing morning breakfast place.
Saturday morning.
We just decided to start the day with a breakfast because usually we never get a breakfast outside. We always prepare them at home. And then we decide to make our way to Big Buddha in Koh Samui.
So we're gonna have some breakfast here, and then we're gonna make our way over to the Big Buddha in Koh Samui. And of course we're gonna bring you with us.
Yeah, it's exciting because we couldn't kind of decide what we will do as like basically this is our officially second video, but like officially first video of exploring Koh Samui properly. And we decided for Big Buddha because it's a little bit cloudy weather, a little like rainy.
Proper rainy season Koh Samui.
Yeah, so we are not gonna risk it with the beaches and nice places when we might end up be really disappointed. So it's great to go to temple. This is smell like
That's amazing.
I want to bring the smell to you right now. All in.
First coffee in what, 4 days?
Yeah.
What happened to you?
Nothing happened to me, guys.
Oh, you look so beautiful.
Thank you.
I love your farmer's shirt.
Call me farmer girl today anyway. I will share with you these interesting things. I don't know, just my stomach simply refused to drink coffee in the morning, which I'm drinking for last 12 years, which is crazy. So imagine I'm of course addicted to coffee, my body is addicted to coffee in the morning, and yeah, so what happened, my stomach refused it, I didn't enjoy it anymore, coffee. I don't know, it's actually really serious when I don't enjoy my coffee. And now we came here and here is a delicious coffee.
How many days have you didn't drink coffee?
4 days. Maybe I will enjoy to have it in these nice coffee shops time to time. It will be more like precious.
She's probably gonna have to run to the toilet straight after.
Hopefully not. Oh.
Good?
It's hit all my body right now. It's like hit me, and now I am like reborn. Guys, I got my new nails done yesterday.
Oh yeah, I had to drop her. Like 30 minutes drive.
It's a matte color.
I had to wait for like 2 hours till she got her nails done. Okay guys, let's taste this egg benedict.
He's expert.
My favorite breakfast is French toast and egg benedict, and we got both. So life's too good. Life's too good. Good egg benedict sauce.
Yeah.
Got some bacon.
They actually bake the breads over here, freshly baked. It's a poached eggs, which I don't know to make in real life, which is a shame. I don't know to make them. I just don't know to make them. I'm sorry.
Try to make them for me once more.
Oh, do you know how they looked? Do you know how they looked? That was the saddest poached eggs I ever seen in my life. But I tried. That's important. Oh, that was too satisfying.
Wow. Wow guys, that is amazing. That's the best French toast I've ever had in my life.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Isn't it?
Wow. This is like the best French toast in the whole history. This breakfast place, it's 5 minutes away from us.
Yeah.
Like, I think we will be here more often.
Slow
huge. Golden and huge.
It's beautiful, it's really beautiful, guys.
It's different than Buddha in Phuket.
The big Buddha we seen in Phuket was all white, and this one's like all golden, you know?
What this guy is doing again? He cannot like have a look properly for Buddha. He have to come. Wow. And here we go again. I have shorts, but people have shorts here.
Yeah, no, shorts. A lot of people are wearing shorts. Guys, yeah, we're not allowed to put. We're not allowed to use a drone here. In Big Buddha, there was no. There was nothing saying. In Phuket, Big Buddha, there was nothing saying about not using drones. So yeah, here we're not allowed. So no drone footage for you guys. Sorry about that.
Wow, this is beautiful, guys. We made it to the other location with the Buddha 5 minutes away from the Big Buddha.
Yeah, this is really amazing. This is so much more colorful than the other one.
Yeah.
And it almost seems like it's more new. Like it's more new built up, you know?
Maybe. Wow. So guys, here is pigeons and fish everywhere. Wow!
Look at the side. Oh, there's turtles, Linda, look. That's a turtle.
Yeah?
Yeah. Look, look. See, that's a turtle.
Ah, yeah, there is. Yeah.
Oh. Look at the size of this fish, look. Look at the big lips on it. Wow. No, Claire.
We sent turtle in the water and here is turtle. Oh, there is so many of them. Oh, there is so many of them. You cannot see, guys. I wish you see them like clearly as us.
That's different in each hand,
Exactly. That's what represents. Represents each thing in the hand, obviously.
So guys, as you've seen, we just viewed the other temple, basically right beside the big Buddha. I find this one much more beautiful and nicer than the one.
The big Buddha, the golden one. Yeah. Of course, it's beautiful, the big Buddha as well. But I am the same. I have the same opinion like Armandes. I do like more this place because it's so many of here and so many of these little nice temple buildings built, you know, with this amazing like a design and architecture. I did love the most Fat Buddha because I think it was, I don't know, love it. And beside that is everything on the water, which I love. It has this Thai vibe and it's just the temple is on the water.
And guys, do you see there's people feeding the animals and there's literally fish, huge fish like huge. I'm talking about like this big,
huge, yeah,
and like this wide,
yeah, like massive,
and
massive
turtles
fish.
as well. There was turtles there and pigeons everywhere,
and it's just
really
amazing.
Nice.
We love the nature always around. So far this temple had something really different about it. It's quite a lot of people for Saturday walking and with the children and the little children feeding the fish. And yeah, I can imagine this will be amazing program with children in the future.
Yeah, this temple is beautiful, especially because it's on water.
Yeah.
Like a lot of it is on water,
Yeah,
which is
yeah.
amazing.
No, we love
and you have
it.
see all the big fishes around. It's
Yeah.
beautiful.
So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode with us. You enjoy the breakfast with us, you enjoy these temples with us and this beautiful nature around. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We're looking forward for the next episode, and yeah, we love you so much and thank you so much for the support.
Yeah guys, much love to you. See you in the next episode.
Love you, bye.